Hi, Mature Divas. Thanks for tuning in. Today I wanted to chat about the results of my first month on Ozempic. I had a positive experience, so stay tuned for all the details. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Mature Diva channel if you're new. Welcome back to my Mature Diva subscribers. I love you all. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. I wanted to chat about an issue that affects a lot of people, type 2 diabetes. Personally, I've been pre-diabetic for some time now, and my specialist has been really great at encouraging me to get things under control. I've made some great improvements, but I still have a way to go to get to my ideal weight. At my highest weight, I was 221 pounds, and I did not feel good or look good, and I was tired all the time, and my eating habits were just awful. I tried the HCG diet, and I lost 10 pounds, but I gained it back after going off the diet. My doctor placed me on Victoza, and I went down to 210 pounds, and I stayed there for quite a while. So at this point, I wasn't gaining, I was maintaining. My doctor was happy I didn't gain, but at the same time, she knew I needed to make some drastic changes due to my sedentary lifestyle. I was working full-time, I was pursuing my master's degree, and we have a home-based embroidery business, so my life was chaotic, and I did not have time to exercise. On December 6, 2019, I was 208 pounds, and my doctor prescribed Ozempic. It's a once-weekly injectable that helps patients by decreasing your appetite and improving your blood sugar levels with diet and exercise. I'm sure you've seen the commercials. The first week I was on the 0.25 dosage in order to get introduced to the drug. Week 2 was December 13th, and I graduated to the 0.50 dosage to get further acclimated to the drug. And then on December 20th, I tried the full dosage of 1.0. This really curbed my appetite drastically, and basically I was eating like 1/4 to 1/2 of the meal that I was accustomed to eating, but I never felt hungry. Now my cravings for carbs and sweets decreased as well, and my desire to have sweets was nothing like it used to be. My favorites were donuts in the morning and frozen margaritas at night. And I haven't had either in the month of January. As of today, January 19th, I weigh 199.5 and I've lost 8.5 pounds. Now, losing 8.5 pounds in a month may not sound glamorous or like a huge amount of weight, but here's the thing. I started Ozempic during the hardest time of the year, the Christmas season, where there's lots of parties and treats, sweets, drinks, and all kinds of temptation. Also, I was finishing my master's degree, so there's a lot of pressure on me to finish strong. Also, during this time, I barely worked out. I think I worked out like 3 times, including last night during this entire period. So I was able to lose 8 pounds during the hardest time of the year with stress and not working out. And now I know that 8 pounds is probably the lowest amount of weight I should expect to lose in the next 30 days. Here are some things that I'm going to do differently in the next 30 days. Number 1, I'm either going to go to the gym or do a home exercise video 3 times a week. Number 2, I'm going to keep a record of my apple cider vinegar intake. Now, my mother is a big supporter of apple cider vinegar and has been encouraging me for quite some time to take it. I'm going to seriously record my intake during this next cycle. Number 3, I'm going to eat at least 3 salads for lunch each week. I'm going to take small, measurable steps that I can record and reflect upon to create success. Well, that's it, ladies. 8 pounds in 30 days. Not too shabby considering my challenges. I really want to lose an additional 30 to 40 pounds this year, preferably by the summer. So, I'm going to ask you to be my accountability partners. Leave a comment below if you're starting on Ozempic or if you're thinking of starting on Ozempic. Let's use the Mature Diva community to discuss real results, challenges, tips, and tricks. I'll check in with you on a weekly basis on this channel in February to give you updates. And if you've had success on Ozempic, please subscribe and like this video and leave a comment below so I can mention your success on my next video. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and tell others. And have a blessed day. I'll see you next week.